If you live in an old house like mine where the walls are uneven and new timber is warped, you can end up with gaps along the top edge of the skirting boards. In the past, I've always closed up these gaps with a filler gun, but this is not always easy to do when the gaps vary in size as you go along the skirting board. So here's an alternative idea which saves a lot of time, gives a lot neater finish and no messy filler to deal with. Buy some Draught Excluder. The one I'm using here is D profile in shape, described as extra large for 3 to 7mm gaps. Measure the length you need. Peel off the backing tape and then align it with the edge of your skirting board. Then firmly press the excluder to the skirting board. A little tip: if you're varnishing your skirting board, paint a little on the rear side, top and bottom. This will help with the adhesion of the Draught Excluder. Drill holes in your wall, making sure you're not going through any mains cables or pipes. Then raw plug them. Then screw home your skirting board. Don't over tighten, just enough to compress the excluder without leaving any gaps. Now you should have a much neater finish along the edge of your skirting board.